Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 effective ways to cleanse negative energy and cultivate positive vibes. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get overwhelmed by stress, negativity, and stagnant energy. The accumulation of negative energy can have detrimental effects on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Cleansing negative energy is essential for restoring balance, harmony, and positive vibes in our lives. In this video, we will explore powerful techniques that can help you cleanse negative energy and create a more uplifting and positive environment. One of the oldest and most widely recognized methods for clearing negative energy is smudging. This ancient practice involves burning herbs such as sage, cedar, or Palo Santo to cleanse the space. The smoke emitted from these herbs is believed to purify the atmosphere, neutralizing negative energies and promoting a sense of calm and clarity. Taking a salt bath is a highly effective way to cleanse negative energy from your body. Dissolving sea salt or Himalayan salt in warm water and soaking in it helps draw out negative energy and toxins. As you relax in the bath, visualize the negative energy being washed away, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Crystals and gemstones possess unique energetic properties that can help cleanse negative energy. Black tourmaline, clear quartz, and amethyst are known for their ability to absorb and transmute negative energy. Placing these crystals in your living space or carrying them with you can help create a positive energetic field and protect you from negativity. A cluttered and disorganized environment can create stagnant energy and block the flow of positive vibes. Decluttering your living and working spaces is a powerful way to release negative energy. Get rid of items you no longer need or use. Organize your belongings and create a clean and harmonious space. This simple act can bring a sense of lightness and clarity to your surroundings. Seeking the assistance of an energy healer can be transformative in clearing negative energy. Techniques such as Reiki, acupuncture, or sound healing can help rebalance your energy field and release any blocked or stagnant energy. These modalities work holistically, addressing physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects, bringing you back into a state of harmony. Spending time in nature is a powerful way to cleanse negative energy and reconnect with positive vibrations. Take walks in the park, go hiking, or simply sit by a tree and absorb the natural beauty around you. Nature has a way of grounding and revitalizing us, helping to release negativity and restore a sense of peace. Sound healing. Sound has been used for centuries to cleanse and uplift energy. Experiment with various sound healing tools, such as singing bowls, bells, or chimes. The vibration produced by these instruments can break up stagnant energy and create a harmonious atmosphere. Playing calming music or chanting mantras can also have a positive impact on your energy field. Positive affirmations. The power of positive affirmations cannot be overstated. Affirmations are positive statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind and shift your energetic vibration. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them daily. Affirmations such as, I release all negativity, or I am surrounded by positive energy, can help cleanse and transform your energy field. Emotional release techniques. Negative energy can often get trapped within us, leading to emotional imbalances. Practicing techniques such as journaling, meditation, or engaging in exercises like dancing or screaming can help release pent-up emotions and cleanse your energetic being. Allow yourself to express and let go of any negativity, creating space for positive energy to flow. Engaging in energy cleansing rituals can be a powerful way to cleanse negative energy from your surroundings. These rituals can vary based on personal preference and cultural traditions. Burning candles, using sacred herbs, reciting prayers or mantras, and visualizing the space being filled with light and positive energy are some examples of energy cleansing rituals. Find a ritual that resonates with you and perform it regularly to maintain a positive, energetic environment. Cleansing negative energy is a vital practice for maintaining a healthy and harmonious life. By incorporating these effective techniques into your routine, you can clear away stagnant energy, uplift your spirits, and create a positive and vibrant atmosphere. Experiment with different methods and discover which ones resonate with you the most. Remember to approach the cleansing process with intention, gratitude, and an open mind. Embrace the transformative power of cleansing negative energy and invite positivity and joy into your life. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you. And if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.